this. Okay, now here I am with our newly designed LED display to come to meet all of you ME series. Economic rental LED display with soft connection. Okay, so let's come to the basic. Okay, now first, let's see, it is 500 times 500. Actually, we got two different sizes. Another one is 500 times 1,000, so it's 2 times, okay? So, as for this one, the weight is only 7.25 kilograms. And if you want to change it to 500 times 1,000, the weight is only 12.5 kilograms. So it's not that heavy, and so it's very portable. And let's come to the thickness. The thickness is only 80 millimeters. Only 80 millimeters. So it's portable. So you can just install it. It's very easy for you. Okay, now let's come to the maintenance. Now you may worried about whether it can support front or rear maintenance. Now, if you want to use it for indoor, it supports both front and back maintenance. And if you want to install it outside, it only supports rear maintenance. Okay, so remember, rear maintenance for the outdoor and both for indoor. Okay, now let's continue to the structure of this. So this is our newly designed LED module. So we can see we got one little here, we got a ticket here, we got a corner protection. Yes, a corner protection. So it's gonna protect the corner of this module. You can take a look at here. 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 So it can protect your LED, so you don't have to worry about it hitting or some other damage. Okay, so this is really great for you. And another one, we got handles, and we got locks, and we got power supplies here. Okay, so this is our newly designed ME series. If you got any more questions or some other or you want some other information about these products, feel free to contact me, okay? So that's all for the video. So please follow me and point a little heart here. Okay, goodbye everyone.